Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be giving you an update of the plants that I have growing in the Ezcube. Now I'm going to start with so here we have two green romaine lettuce. And here we have I thought at first this was a cucumber, but it's a squash, and it's growing very well. It's a butternut squash plant. It started to put out some blossoms, and it even has a young squash out. So I'm just waiting for the flowers to open up so I can hand pollinate the young fruit. Now let me show you butternut squash. Let me show you the butternut squash. Here it is. It's right there. Let me get it at a good angle. We have a lot of flowers. These are male flowers, so once the flowers open up, I'll just go and hand pollinate that butternut squash. We have more on this branch. Let's go down now. This is one of the tiny thyme tomato plants. It's growing very well. Here I have the top of an onion. From this we'll get chives. Here is the cabbage. It's growing good. It's a green acre cabbage. I have some plants, some flowers. These we call Jump Up and Kiss Me. It's a nice red flower that comes out. I have several pieces planted just along the front side of the planter. As they grow, they would hang over the edge of the planter. Here I have a turnip. Here I have one carrot that survived. I have three turnips right here. Here's one, we have two, and here's another one. And here is the other tiny thyme tomato. This is growing very well as well. I haven't seen any blossoms as yet. And here at the front we have the zucchini. It's growing good. Seems as if it's getting ready to put out some blossoms. You can see right here. And underneath of the zucchini I planted some red onions, and they have sprouted. There's one. We have one there. We have another one here. There's another one there. We have another cabbage right there. And alongside we have an onion. And there's another onion over here. And we have more onions on this side. There's one. There's another. Here's another onion. Here's another onion. I planted several onion seeds. Most of them have sprouted, so I'm waiting to see if the others will sprout, and I hope this time I'll be lucky to get some onions. I have some more of the flowers on this end. And that's about all that I have in this planter. So let me close the planter back. I have the cover on to keep the pests out. So I'll just lower it down, the cover. And here it is, a zipper on this side. There's another zipper on this side. This is what it looks like, fully covered. Soon I'll have a full tour of everything that I have planted in this area. It's a small space, but mighty at the same time. I'm getting at least fresh vegetables. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.